Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how do you make a group on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Snapchat application on your phone and choose the chat icon. Click on the blue message icon to start a new chat. Tap the new group button and tap the contacts you want to add to the group. You can also use the search field to find and add contacts to the group. Tap the New Group Name area to set a group name. Finally, tap the blue button that says Chat to create the group. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.